everyone, it's Diane Kingsbury with Lilla Rose Hair Accessories, and I'm going to tell you about our Flexi Clips. They are amazing, and they can replace an elastic, a scrunchie, a barrette, and they're so much healthier for your hair than those items. So this is a Flexi Clip. They come in all different designs, from plain to fancy, to blingy or not blingy, however you want to, whatever your style is, we have one for you. So as you can see, the stick is attached and it has these grooves on it. So when you put it through the clip, you can, depending on how much hair or what style you're doing, you can go tighter or looser. And this part, the flexi part, is made out of music wire. So it bends around your hair. And that's why people who normally get headaches from wearing their hair up don't get headaches from wearing a flexi clip, because the flexi clip, it uses the tension of the music wire to hold your hair in place, and you don't have to pull your hair so tight, which is usually why people get headaches, because their hair is pulled back so tight. And you don't have to do that with the flexi clip. And it's a hard adjustment to get used to. Because when you first start wearing flexi clips, you're like, nope, it's going to fall out. It feels too loose, but it stays in pretty darn good. So it's just something you got to get used to when you switch over to flexi clips, is that it doesn't feel like it's going to stay, but it does. So you can do any style with these. They come in 7 different sizes. So you can do a half up. You could even just do like a little side back with a smaller one. You can do ponytails. You can do French twists, you can do buns, any style that you can think of that you would use an elastic or a scrunchie or the claw, you could use a flexi clip. So I'm going to show you some sizing right here. These are the 7 different sizes. So we have mini right here, mini, which is the same as extra, extra small. Then we have extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, and mega. So the way we figure out what size you need is, the first thing we do is we figure out what your ponytail size is. So you put your hair in a ponytail and you use your finger and your thumb to measure the base of your ponytail, and then you compare that size to the size of a coin. So if your ponytail size is a dime, you would be a mini or an extra, extra small. If it's a nickel, you would be an extra small. If it's a quarter, you would be a small. And if it's a $50, you would be a medium. Now, the bigger sizes are more for when you put your hair up and you're doubling up the thickness of your hair by putting it in a bun or in a twist. That's usually what these sizes are for. Some people, and this one, the mega right here, I call that my unicorn size, because that's for people with super thick, long hair or even dreadlocks. The mega works really well with people who have dreadlocks and want to pull it back in a ponytail. Or for someone that has long, thick hair that wants to put it in a bun and have the clip go right over the bun. That size is good for that. So once you figure out your ponytail size, then it depends what style you want to do with your hair. So for instance, like my ponytail size is a nickel. So I am an extra small ponytail. So I'll show you how to do a ponytail with an extra small. So this right here is called the iris. Super pretty. And all you do for a ponytail is you lay the pretty part on top and bring the stick underneath. And don't be afraid to bend this part, because that's the part that's made out of music wire. Then you just clip it. And you can do your ponytail down low, you can do it up high. It's not going to budge. Like, you can see how secure that is. And that's from that music wire and that beading holding it in place. And the beauty of this is when you go to take it out, all you do is pull the stick and it comes out. So that's why it's a lot healthier for your hair than elastic, because the elastic, you pull the whole thing out and sometimes your hair comes out with it. Not with a flexi clip. You just pull that stick and it releases. So my ponytail size is an extra small. So if I wanted to do just a half up, then I would go down one size. So I would go down to a mini, which is this size. This is the extra, extra small. So I'll show you how to do a half up. Now, my hair is thin, so most people with average thickness hair can do a half up with an extra small, but my hair is very thin, so I have the mini. And same thing, all you do is you put the stick underneath, bend the pretty part over the top. It's just similar to putting in a barrette, it's just that it bends. So you can just do that. The other thing is, if you don't want to get two different sizes and you want to use your ponytail size for a half up, there's little tricks you can do. So say I wanted to use this for my half up as well as my ponytail. What you can do is you can make a little bun or do anything to make this thicker so the clip has something to grab onto. I do a little twist like this, and then I put the clip in underneath. You just go under and bend it over like that. So there are ways, if you don't want to get like different sizes for different things, you can make one size work for several different styles. However, if you do go up, like so again, my ponytail size is an extra small. When I put my hair in a French twist, then I have to go up to a small because I'm doubling up the amount of hair that I'm putting in it. So I'll show you, this is a size small right here. So I'm gonna show you a messy French twist with the small. So all I do for this is I put my hair in a ponytail, use my finger, wrap it around my finger, and then pull it in like that, and then twist it like that. And this is like a messy version of a French twist. But to put this in, you put the stick in outside of the twist, keep it in contact with your scalp as you go under it, bend this part over the top, and then clip it on the other side. And that's how easy it is. And you can see, like, it's not moving. I do an hour-long Zumba class with this style in my hair, and my hair does not move. So those are the different things you can do with a flexi clip. My hair is thin, so I don't have a very big bun, but if you do have a bun, depending on how long your hair is, if it's long and thick, you might have to go up 2 sizes from your ponytail size if you want the clip to go over on top of the bun. But it's the same technique that I just used to do this twist. You would just do it over the bun. So those are our flexi clips. We recently came out with a Flexi Flip, which is one of these guys right here. And this, as you'll see, there's no decorative piece in the middle. And the stick is still attached, but it has grooves on both sides instead of just one side. So the beauty of that, and the reason there's no decorative piece here, is so you can flip the stick around and then it bends into itself to be a smaller size so that less hair can fit in. So the Flexi Flip covers 3 different sizes in one clip. So if you want it to be smaller, you put it in this way. You want it to fit more hair in it, you put it the other way, and it works like a regular Flexi Clip. So we do have some nice Christmas ones. We have the little Frosty here, Frosty the Snowman, excuse me, and a couple other styles available. Excuse me. So that's Flexi Clips. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can either post in the comments or send me a message. And I thank you for watching.